Hello mga kamami ni Malco! Again, this is our family adventure collection vlog and we want to share to you our quick family getaway sa bayan ng Morong, Bataan. If you're looking for a swimming destination somewhere in Bataan, front beach with swimming pool, maybe you can add this place on your list. If sea lover ka, this is the perfect spot for you on this place. And if you want to play beach volleyball, meron din sila ditong available na net. And we are here at Casa Pipito Beach Resort, Morong, Bataan. You can check their updated price list on their FB page. Direct message them for further instructions for booking. Very responsive naman sila when it comes to query. They accommodate day tour and longer stay. Since malayo kami, we stay one night. The thing I love with this place is very accommodating staff at sobrang organized ng place. Thumbs up nga ako sa sobrang kalinisan nito. When it comes to security, wala kang problemahin dahil meron silang 24/7 CCTV at yung mga staff makaka-attend sa'yo kahit dis oras na ng gabi. Parking space para secured ang ating mga sasakyan, check, dahil meron silang sariling parking lot. And that is our quick family getaway dito sa Casa Pipito Beach Resort, Morong, Bataan. Thank you!